Right, this is an interesting experiment. You'll like this. Not a lot. Can you see here, I've got some reflective tape on here and a reflective tape on the crank, right? I've also got my digital tachometer on there so I can read the RPM. Now, as you motoring people might know, that the crank turns twice to one of the cam. So we should hear, when we turn it over with the injector pump off, what's going on, you know. So first of all, listen to this because it's really interesting. Here we go. Does it look like it's coming off here? It always squeaks here. See? What the hell is that? That's got me going now because there's nothing on this cam. There's nothing on this camshaft at all. Now if it was doing on the crank, if we're down here looking at the crank, so look at it down here. When I try to fire it, I want to stop it where the squeak is. It's kind of difficult. There, it squeaks there. Now, I'm not saying this is top dead centre, it's just off top dead centre. But let's turn it again. There, it squeaks here. But it doesn't. So I have an idea, a cunning plan. What if I pull the glow plugs out, got them onto each of their firing strokes, and work out where that mark actually is here when it squeaks, because it always squeaks around this place. It always squeaks there. That's the squeaky spot. I think we've found the point of our squeak, because I was turning this engine over and it's coming up to top dead centre, but I'll be quiet. There! Did you hear it? Squeak! Just there! And just where we had that thing there now, top dead centre is here. That means that's on top dead centre there. So it squeaks on top dead centre on this cylinder. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the problem is this cylinder. But that's the position the crank's in. Now they say you shouldn't turn this backwards, but I don't care. It's only for the belt really. I'll turn it backwards a little bit. There we go. I'll turn it forward. There. There. Now we can pinpoint it. We could be able to put my bar on and just work it backwards and forwards so we can isolate that squeak. Now, I bought this little bar the other day. Was it a Titan or something like that? I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, Titan bar. Very handy because it's got a ratchet on it, but not handy for working it backwards and forwards. It could be a mouse. So it's not compression related. Can't be. So all I need is somebody down here to turn that while I find out where that squeak's coming from. Oh, well that's not too bad, is it? Exactly in that spot. But where is it? I can't turn it and listen at the same time. Oh, we're getting somewhere. But it's definitely, look. So it can't be crankshaft because you can hear it kind of high up. Well, I tell you something, Jim's coming down here on Thursday, and it'll perhaps give me a chance to have a bit of a day off. And we can work at the back with this, and we can collar Jim and see if he can move that backwards and forwards, winky wanky it. And then I can get round and listen to where it's coming from. Oh, that's great. That's really good. And it can't be the rocker shaft, because it was doing the same with another rocker shaft, so it isn't a dry bushing or anything like that. Oh, I'm over the moon now. Keep tuned, same bat time, same bat channel.